Hello and welcome back. My name is Amulya and you are watching TubeMint. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Apache NetBeans IDE 11.1 on Windows system. So this is Apache NetBeans IDE, the latest release as of now. So that was released on July the 22nd, 2019. And we can go ahead and download it and install it. Okay, so to get this download, you simply go ahead and launch your browser and go to this URL, which is very easy. It says netbeans.apache.org/download/index.html, and once you are here, go ahead and click on this download button here, and here you see you've got so many options. Okay, so you got binaries, you got installers as well. So this is exe, sh, dmg, zip. So we are going to use this exe, which is compiled version of this NetBeans package, IDE package for Windows. Okay, so we are going to click on it, and this should start the download, but this doesn't. So we are given this another link here, so go ahead and click on it, and this is direct download link. So this is going to download the exe file. To save our time, I already have downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel it. Okay, and here we have Apache NetBeans 11.1 bin 64-bit for Windows exe file. Okay, so before you start installing NetBeans IDE, you want to make sure you've got Java JDK installed. Okay, so I've got Java JDK 13 installed and set to the system path. In case if you need to install and you do not know how to install Java JDK, go ahead and watch my previous video. I will leave the link in the description below. Okay, so if you've got JDK 11 or 12 or 13, you're good to go. So we are going to install this NetBeans IDE. So just right click and open it, or just double click on it. So I just double clicked on it, and this is going to open kind of a security window here. So I just clicked install now. Anyway, if you get something similar to this, just say yes. So here we are. System says if you allow this app to make changes on your device. I said yes, and now this is going to configure the installer, and we are in the process of installing and NetBeans IDE. Installation size is 603 MB, and just say next. Just check this license and agreement box here. If you want to go through, then hit next. Okay, so this is going to use this JDK, which I already have installed. Okay, and this is going to keep this NetBeans in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this one, just NetBeans. Okay, and then hit next. Check for updates, and this is where the NetBeans IDE is going to be installed. Hit install, and this is going to take some time. So installing IDE 1%, so it's kind of taking time to install it. So what I'm going to do, I'll be right back once it's installed. Okay, so please stay tuned. Alright, so installation is finished. It's just completing the installation, checking for updates, and so there has been change in the installation process for NetBeans IDE in 11.1. This has created a lot of things on here. So basically it has also created this shortcut, which previously we had to create ourselves, and You can see now, because it's just checking for the updates, I can go ahead and launch the NetBeans IDE. And here we are, it's just trying to launch it. Reading module storage. Okay, so this is kind of optional thing, it's checking for updates, which is okay. And here we are. So this may take some time. On my system it's taking a bit longer. On your system it may not take this long time to launch NetBeans IDE. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so you can see this is NetBeans IDE. This is start page. We can go ahead and close it, and it's still trying to basically install the update. This is very finishing point here. So you've got this NetBeans IDE. You can leave it wherever you wish to. You can put it on the taskbar, and next time I can just go ahead and just minimize it. You can now start using NetBeans IDE on your Microsoft Windows 10. So that's it for this video. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. If you have any suggestion, leave in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Have a good day. Bye for now.